In this video, we will solve some numerical problems based on electric flux. Maximum problems based on electric flux we can solve by its fundamental definition. Since electric flux is equal to total electric lines of force passing through any surface in the direction of normal, so to determine electric flux, we divide whole surface into small elements. Suppose such small element of surface area ds is ABCD. If angle between outward normal and electric field is equal to theta, then component of electric field in the direction of normal is E cos theta. Therefore, linked flux to small element is equal to electric field in the direction of normal and surface area. That means d phi equal to vector E dot ds. Therefore, total linked flux to whole surface phi equal to integration vector E dot ds. If lines of forces enter the surface, then angle between electric lines of forces and outward normal is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, flux is always negative. And if lines of force leaves the surface, then angle between outward normal and electric field is equal to 0 degree. Therefore, flux is always positive. So, total linked flux to any closed surface in uniform electric field is equal to 0, since number of electric lines of forces enter the surface is equal to total electric lines of forces leaves the surface. That means total negative flux is equal to total positive flux. Therefore, total flux linked to closed surface is always equal to 0. If plane of surface is perpendicular to electric field, then flux is then theta equal to 0 degree and flux phi is maximum. And if plane of surface is parallel to electric field, then theta equal to 90 degree and flux phi equal to EDS cos 90, which is equal to 0. Therefore, to solve any problems, we first find electric flux linked to small element, then total linked flux to whole surface by phi equal to integration E dot ds. Suppose a closed surface, that means cube of length of edge 1 meter placed at a 1 meter distance from origin, and we have to find total linked flux to cube if applied electric field surrounding the cube equal to alpha x unit vector I, where alpha equal to 10 to power 2 SI. In this problem, since faces A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and ABFE and DCGH is perpendicular to electric field. Therefore, linked flux to surface ABCD, surface EFGH, surface ABFE and surface DCGH is equal to EDS cos 90, which is equal to 0. And linked flux to surface ADHE is equal to EDS cos of 180 degree. Since angle between outward normal and applied electric field is 180 degree, therefore EDS cos 180, which is equal to minus EDS. And since minus E equal to alpha xi, so alpha 10 to power 2 and x 1 meter and ds means surface area of ADHE. Since length of edge 1 meter, therefore area of surface 1 square, that equal to minus 10 to power 2 Newton meter square per coulomb. And linked flux to BCGH is equal to EDS cos 0. Since outward normal and electric field are parallel, therefore theta equal to 0 degree, that equal to E into ds, that equal to E means alpha x, alpha 10 to power 2 and x 1 and 1 2 meter and surface area 1 meter square, which is equal to 10 to power 2 into 2 Newton meter square per coulomb. Therefore, total flux phi equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus minus 10 to power minus 2 and plus 2 into 10 to power 2, which is equal to 10 to power 2 Newton meter square per coulomb. Some other problems based on Gauss's theorem, and Gauss's theorem states that total linked flux to any closed surface is equal to 1 upon epsilon naught times of total charge inside the surface, where epsilon naught absolute permittivity of free space, and if charge placed outside of the surface, then flux is equal to 0. So, if any question we find electric flux linked to any closed surface, we will use Gauss's theorem. Suppose a plus Q charge placed inside the cube and we have to find total linked flux to cube. So since cube is a closed surface and total charge placed inside the surface, therefore by Gauss's theorem phi equal to Q upon epsilon naught. If an electric dipole placed inside the cube and we have to find total linked flux to cube. So since electric flux consists of two charges equal magnitude but opposite nature, therefore linked flux to cube phi equal to Q upon epsilon naught is equal to 0 upon epsilon naught is equal to 0. Since total charge of electric dipole is always equal to 0. If a charge plus q placed at a by 2 distance from center of a square plate of length a, and we have to find total linked flux to square plate. In this question, we imagine 6 square plate around a charge plus q. Since 6 square plates form a cube and total charge placed inside the cube, therefore linked flux to cube is equal to phi equal to q upon epsilon naught. Since cube consists 6 plates, therefore linked flux to any one plate phi equal to q upon epsilon naught upon 6, that means phi equal to q upon 6 epsilon naught.